Hi guys, Colin here from Colin. Do you think you could make a whole YouTube video by only using the Ray-Ban Story Facebook Smart Sunglasses? I know I can. How do I know that? I'm doing it right now. Let's go to the footage that I shot today. So how good was that? Oh my God, it was just amazing. I'm blown away at how well these sunglasses actually captured the video. Audio, it's a bit different, but video was just marvelous. Don't forget guys to like and subscribe. I've got plenty more videos coming up, so please stay tuned to my channel. And this is Colin from Colin out.